everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, click on clock app and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache, clock app. After clear cache, clock app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix sleep mode not working on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.